Welcome back to another video. Today we're fitting some grippers, underlay and carpet. Just a standard living room is what we're doing today. The tools we're using is a nail driver, gripper cutter and some concrete pins. Oh yes, we'll also be using a hammer as well, obviously. Now here's a picture of the cutter we're using. Those are the pins you use, and that's the nail driver, affectionately known as the bad man. And this is what we generally use as a guide for getting the distance between the wall and the gripper. And on the fixing of the underlay, we use a spray adhesive to fix the underlay to the concrete floor. There you go now, underlay all done, ready to fit the carpet. Quick clean up and we can bang the carpet down. And this is at the point where we start using the knee kicker and the plastic tucker. And there you go, how to fit a carpet in a living room with underlay and gripper. All done now. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Comments down below.